Hi, is it possible to make money without having a website on Clickbank or any other affiliate network? And the answer is yes. Now, if you stay until the end of this video, I will share with you exactly step-by-step framework that you can apply yourself if you want to get those fast sales without having to spend money on ads and building up the new website. So this is one of the ways that I can share with you today, where you can basically take an offer, for example, on Clickbank, in any niche, under any category, and start getting sales. So how you can do that without having a website? Now, there is a step-by-step framework that I will share with you right now. So you see, the first thing you need is what we call offer, right? You need some kind of product. Now, what kind of product do you need? You need a product that has the front end sale of at least $50. Why $50? Because you want to make at least $50 per sale. Now, another thing about the offer is it should have an upsells. Upsells, repeat after me, upsells, so you can remember it or write it down. Why upsells? Because usually when a customer purchases one product and if they like it, they also purchase another product. Like for example, if you buy an iPhone or something similar, or laptop, right, they will offer you a charger, headphones. Those are all the upsells. Like if you go to cinema to watch a movie, they will give you an upsell for food and stuff like that, and drinks, right? This is all upsell. This is how they make more money, and this is how you can utilize the same leverage of upsells to make more money with one offer. You see, let's say this offer is $50, so you get $50 on the front end, and then on the back end, right? Then let's say we have another offer for $100. So basically, you can make the same. You have a same customer. You make one sale, but you get $100 more. This is equals to 3 sales more, but you have only one sale because of power of the upsells. So the offer have to be really, really high quality one, right? If you want to make consistent sales as an affiliate. Now, if you're still watching this video, please go and subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips. Now, the second step there is you need to have, usually with a website, but if you don't have a website, you need to have a link, right? So you need to have affiliate link. And the third step is you need to have traffic. So what is traffic? Traffic are visitors. So those are people like you and me who are browsing online looking for problems or solutions to their problems. So basically those are the visitors, right? You need traffic. Now, how you can get traffic? There is many ways you can get quality traffic, right? You can get traffic from Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, right? Twitter ads. There are so many different platforms and social media channels. Now, if you don't want to spend money on ads and learning how to apply them and building the website, then there is another thing which is called solo ads. Now, what are solo ads? Solo ads are basically buyers traffic. Those are what we call clicks, right? Those are people on others, marketers' email lists. So let's say a person A that I know has a 10,000 name email list, right? They built over years, 5-10 years, even bigger, like let's say 1 million people on their email lists. So they are promoting them, they are building the relationship with them, right? They already done those stuff, these things. And the people on those email lists are already buying, let's say, Bizop, make money online type of products or weight loss products. So I don't have to go out there and build my own list. I can leverage someone else's lists that are already pre-existing in the marketplace, right? So someone else have their email lists, and I can take advantage of that and send my own email to his or her list, and such that everything sells from their audiences. So that I don't have to build my own audience, right? Or promote to cold traffic, which are usually people who don't know about your products. But you have to understand one thing: not all traffic or all solo ads are great quality. Why? Because there are audiences, and you have to understand that audiences who are unaware, right? They are cold traffic. They haven't been buying those products for a long time, so they are not that much impulse buyers, right? The people who just buy like this on the spot right now, right? So you have to understand their awareness level of people that are different. So what we do is we give you the offer that is already working, right? For example, low ticket or mid ticket offer, like we say from $50 to $150, so maybe $250, right? Commission for you as an affiliate. Then we give you the link, and then we give the traffic, the visitors. So basically, we send traffic to your link. Now it doesn't matter what niche you're in, yes and no. Why? Because there are many different niches. You see, I personally don't have a clue about survival niche, but someone else has a clue or good offer in survival niche, survival space, right? We call them preppers, right? So if they understand the market, great. So they just buy the traffic from us and they get sales, right? But me personally, I don't understand survival niche, or for example, I wouldn't understand keto diet niche, right? So that's why I don't take personally advantage of this, because I have no clue about it, right? But they do have clue about it. So this is why there is many traffic sources and ways for you to gain traffic. So for example, let's say you have an offer for $50. Let me delete this, clear this up, so you can understand this better. Let's say we have an offer on Clickbank that costs $50, right? So you have an offer for $50 over here. So you have here affiliate link over here. So this is offer, right? This is link, and this over here is traffic, right? Traffic, those are visitors, right? So then the traffic are coming to your affiliate link with email that is highly targeted, right? Plus they go straight to the offer over here, and you get the first commission of $50, and then of course upsells or downsells. So you also make money on the back end, right? So now you may be asking yourself, okay, fine. So how do I get started? How do I get these buyers, traffic, or these clicks that we like to call them, right? Which are basically visitors. Those are people just like you and me in the marketplace who are looking to buy products. So let me show you over here how you can get it and how much is the investment if you want to get it, right? So let me show you over here. We have three choices. You can get 300 visitors to your page, 300 visitors for $497 US, right? 300 clicks. Now let me give you an example over here. Now let's say you have a Clickbank offer for $50 to $250, right? Usually $250 with an upsell. So let's say this convert only at 1%. At 1%. So 10% you will be 30 sales, right? But 1% is 3 sales. So let's do a minimum report, right? So let's say we have an offer with total value add to cart of average order value of $250 US, right? Let's say only get 3 sales. So times 3 is how much? 3 times 250 is $750 US, right? So you invested 497 for 300 buyers, clicks, visitors, and you made back a profit of $250 US. This is your profit, net profit $250, right? And this is only at 1% conversion rate. Now let's say you purchase, let's say go deeper because you want to maximize traffic. You want to purchase, let's say 600 buyers clicks. So 700 buyers clicks in this case would be $1,050, right? So you spend $1,050 for 700 clicks, so 700 visitors to your page. Now let's say this would convert with same amount, 1% first. This means you would get 7 sales. So 7 sales times $250, and you can do the math yourself. How much are you basically profiting from investment of $1,000, right? If you would have 10 sales, you would make $2,500 without having any website whatsoever, and without any landing page on your Clickbank affiliate link. Now, is it guaranteed? I would not guarantee anything on this video right now, but I can tell you this: if you have a high quality offer that is converting very well, right? That people are buying this high gravity, people are making sales with it. Then of course there is a huge probability of you making sales. Also, if you have like we call ultra targeted traffic, which is basically the meaning of ultra targeted means that those are basically past buyers of info products or supplements. So basically this means that you are having people who are 35 years and above living in US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand and UK. Those are 5 places where both basically people with money are living and people who are basically buying high quality offers like the ones I was mentioning previously about. So basically we have this traffic, you can get straight to your affiliate link. So basically you just get your offer first, then we give you the link, and then you can get traffic sent to your affiliate link. Now if you want to go further from there after that or before that, but you want to learn how to apply this, when you want to get done for you affiliate campaigns on Google Ads or Facebook Ads, that is also possible. If you want to get done for your affiliate website as well, also possible. So if you're still watching this video, get in touch with me if you need that one-on-one help, right? Personal coaching and support. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts and email where we can personally connect and see what would be best fit for you. So thank you for watching this video.